Everyone, I'm Owen from Seample. Today I'm going to introduce you our solution, which is bringing ocean into your life. Our solution comprises of two major parts. One is coral restoration and the second is marine education. The special point of our coral restoration is that it enables students, even primary school students, to join our solution and raise corals from babies to adults. Once these corals has grown to their adulthood and strong enough, we're going to plant these corals back into the ocean to help our dying ecosystem. You might wonder, could elementary school students to overcome these obstacles and complete this complex operation? Yes, indeed. Actually, we have invited several experts and organized workshops to help train the students to acquire necessary knowledge to become a qualified carer of their own corals. And during this process, they're going to develop environmental awareness and even a sense of belonging to their oceans, especially the oceans that they put their corals back into. As for our marine curriculums, we're going to teach them about our coral ecosystem and what are the threats that we're facing right now. And as for the hands-on activities, students get the opportunity of taking care of corals and closely monitor them. And as for later, they're going to deeply involve in on-site coral restoration activities. And here are some pictures that they are doing right now. And thanks to our partners across academic institutions, environmental associations, and a lot of NPOs to help us join in this solution to polish more. And this solution can really make a big difference. First, we can restore coral ecosystem by recovering corals quantity and quality in this region. We believe we can do this and help more in Taiwan and even beyond. And second, we engage more students, even the young students, to engage in this process. And I believe that every student who have ever put their own corals back into the ocean will never forget this in their whole life. And this can create generational positive environmental awareness impact on the whole society. And I believe that this solution is ready for a global impact. I'm Owen and thank you for your listening. We hope to bring beauty back into the ocean and bring ocean into your life.